Hey, Jason over here at Conveyor, and in this video, I'm going to show you a hot update we have to Fields. So we're going to simply go over the changes and the new things that we have. There will be linked videos that show functionality of these changes shortly, but for now, let's just go over this information. Let me tell you what I'm not going to cover. I'm not going to cover adding fields to teams. If you want to know how to do that, just jump over to the help documentations, do a search for fields or search for how to set contact fields for a team. You can also find this over here in the help documentation. Just ask Cy and he'll get you the answer on how to do that really quick, really easy. There's a video and a step-by-step walkthrough. So why I tell you that is because when I navigate over to contacts and I click into one of my contacts, you're going to see that there are limited fields here, and you can set that at the team level. Again, I'm not covering that here, so that's why this might look different than what you have in your account. So let's cover what's different. So the first thing that's different is the view of a contact profile. We're already looking at a profile, and you'll notice that there's this toggle right here for default. So we have sections, and you can add sections. I'll briefly show you that in this video, but we're not going to go into depth because, again, there's going to be follow-up videos showing functionality. So what else is different? The view of the settings fields page. So if you go to settings and then you hit fields, you can see immediately that this view is different. What else is different is the creation of fields. Now you create up here in the top right corner, you click the new button. Also, you can edit the fields. That's significantly different as well. And you can easily set field permissions and visibility just by clicking these buttons. Again, there's going to be a walkthrough video going over all this. Also, changing the order of fields. When you click on this button right here, you can change the order, and that's how you'll drag and drop the position of the field to show where it's at on your sheet. By the way, when I say sheet, I mean this right here. This is your sheet, and if we click in, this is the contact profile. So we've covered all the things that are different. What's new? The biggest thing that's new is the field sections. So again, let's jump over here to our settings and hit fields, and just like creating a field is new, or it's different, now you can create a section. So when you click on section, you can set these right here, and what will happen is you'll be able to place specific fields into this section. So we recommend that you're going to have your default fields, but then you're also probably going to have a personal information section that has things like the address, the phone number, the email address, closest relative, that type of information that you might be asking of your contacts. Then you might have like an onboarding status section that has all your information about how people are onboarding, the times of their onboarding meetings, the status of onboarding. Then you might have things like their work status for your company or with your company, all of that. That's what you might do with sections. And again, there's going to be follow-up videos regarding that. So once you create a section, you'll actually be able to see the section over on a contact, and you'll have a new section right here, and you'll be able to toggle that. Again, that's coming in a follow-up video, but that covers the differences and the new elements and aspects of fields. We hope that this is something that causes you to be able to function quicker in Conveyor, and we always love your feedback. So let us know what you think about this, and we will connect with you and make adjustments as we move along.